Hi, Steve Bedell coming to you from the Villages, Florida, once again with the weekly market report, okay? And I'll point out a few things. I got some numbers here. We'll talk about them. And let's see how things are doing in the Villages right now, okay? So this is the week of February 27th, or this is when these are recorded for the previous week. These figures come in, 2023. Once again, these are all MLS listings. They do not reflect any properties sold by properties of the Villages, okay? We don't have those numbers. So let's look at listings first. Total number of listings, 338 listings. That's down one from last week, so they're holding pretty steady at that right now, but they are gradually rising from where they were before. The price per square foot, the median price is $263 of listed properties. That continues to go slowly down a little bit, okay? Median days on the market is 46 for all properties. And new listings last week, we had 34 new listings, and that's holding pretty consistent with what we had last week too, okay? Pending, 34, you can see the pending and listings, they're kind of balancing each other out as they have been most weeks. We had 34 properties go pending last week. Price per square foot, $264. So pretty close to that, which it hasn't been. There has been usually about a $10 difference here. Average days on market, 28 days, which is better than it has been previously. And the price change, properties from the listed price to the pending price, they've gone down 4.47%. So about a 5 or 4.5% change in the price that they were originally listed for to what they went pending for. Okay? Okay. Now, if we look over here, sold properties. Last week there were 21 properties sold. Most of these properties sold are in the 280 or so to the $500,000 price range. That's where most of the activity is, especially the 200 to 350, or there's nothing at 200, but about the 275 to 350. Okay, that's where the properties are selling. Price per square foot, $243. You can see that's significantly lower than these prices over here when they eventually sell. Days on market, 15 days, which is pretty nice. Some properties are selling pretty quickly. Again, those in the price range that I mentioned before. 53% of the properties that sell have had their price reduced. And that figure continues to rise from, we've been keeping rising up to 50. Now we're above 50%. And I expect that will stay that way or even get a little higher for some time. And then decrease in price, we get a 4.5% decrease on the price from the original listing price to the sold, which is kind of reflected over here too. Okay? Okay, so that's what we got within a couple of things I'd like to point out though. These days on market, that looks nice because some places have sold pretty quickly. But out of these 338 listings that we have on the market, fully over 20% of them have been on the market for over 100 days. These are properties that maybe need a little TLC, or maybe they're in the upper price brackets. They don't sell as quickly naturally as the lower price brackets. But there are a significant amount of properties that are dragging that days on market figure down lower. Okay, so it's not really reflected in the high selling price points, the days on market. Okay? Okay. Well, hope that helps. I'll check in with you again next week. I'll keep you posted on what's happening in the Villages. And if you need a realtor, you know who to call. Get my info here. It should be underneath, I hope, if I didn't forget to put it in there. Any questions about real estate, any questions about the Villages, give me a call. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Okay. Thanks. Till next time.